today. It's raining out here. I guess it rained all night, and there's about a 60% chance of rain while we're at the event. But it should clear up by around 9 a.m. So we should get some dry sessions in, hopefully. So it's just right now it's just me and my boy Sergio on the way out to the track, and yeah, so stay tuned and you're getting some good footage. Everybody's here. Gary came through with the Skyline, older Skyline. Sergio came out with the S2000. My little bucket right here. It's cold as shit. There's already somebody broken down on track, but we'll see how it goes the rest of the day. I know for sure I gotta spin out.
What?
So let's see, but we got one guy way out there. Broke down, and yeah, we got the fast boys up on the big track. And who's this man right here? Oh shit. What up? We got Gary in the fucking video now. What's going on? I spun out on the first fucking lap.
I know, I saw you.
I was following the guy in front of me, and like he started spinning out, so I started hitting the brakes, and I was still turning, and then I just lost it the whole way around.
I saw you facing us. I'm like, huh?
Yeah, I was just hoping. I was like, hopefully these fools don't come and hit me.
Gary locked up his brakes because I braked, and then he was coming in fast. Bang! He braked the line. I'm like, oh, it's gonna hit me. Fine.
Gary was slowing me down on the fucking on the S right there.
Whoa! Why did you not give us a point?
So I can just catch back up?
What? You would have left me in there.
No.
Hey, why are you fast on the whole track except the S?
So I have to figure out 30 seconds to the X. That's what's happening since it's so tight. The car keeps wanting to kick out. So if you notice, if you're driving behind me on the last one, it just power slides in the corner.
Yeah.
So it's because my car makes boost after 45. So if I stay in 45 with it through the S, I'm gonna just spin out the whole time. So I have to go slow through there.
Better give me a point by on the chicane next time.
What you mean?
Slowing me down right there.
I'm not worried about you going on.
Smash, slowing me down. Slowing me down on the chicane.
I slowed down. Yeah, I slowed down. I was like, bum. So, but now I have a recorded time.
What was your lap time?
Let's see.
I got a 140
oh, that's
this
right.
time.
That's right. I had mine open too.
So right now my personal best is 140.3.
I'll tell you right now.
You're literally 1 full second.
And mine didn't read.
How? How? 138.
No reading.
Yeah.
turn back there. And then I came back again. I hit it again, but this time it flew.
I saw that. The first 3 laps, motherfucker ran right in the middle. I passed it. The second time, I just take this.
Damn. What was your time?
139.
139. I got the same.
Nice. I pushed it a lot harder this time. I get more comfortable with the car.
See that, guys? 139.
What the fuck?
Let's see what's it.
Ooh, my point
a little
two.
faster. Look at that. A little faster.
It was the cone that helped me.
That cone did help.
Not
happened?
any better. We're on 138.
You got
What happened on that last session?
What you mean?
I saw you get off quick. I never saw you in my rear view or nothing.
I wasn't, because we were going so fast we couldn't keep up with each other. Oh, you mean before we went?
Yeah.
The lady stopped me.
Why?
She said, I don't know. She was like, hey, I said stop. Okay, now you can go. And I'm like, lady.
What was your time?
141.
139.
Really?
But I got like a little, like 100th of a second faster.
I'm doing something wrong.
Your boys getting it. We're out here trying to get fast times. What you over there doing though?
Huh?
What you over there doing right now?
Oh, a little crafty mafty, you know.
What's going on, Mr. Gary?
I'm trying to find my 10.
Damn, extra rate reduction. Let's just take off your doors and put the fucking the mesh up. From the Jeeps.
That'll create drag, my friend.
You gonna run still running the last session?
Are you gonna
I gotta head back to the shop. So we're gonna call it a day.
Yeah?
How's the car feel overall? You like it?
I like it. I just got to make some adjustments.
What was your best time?
140.
What type of adjustments you gotta make?
Huh?
What type of adjustments you gotta make?
Me and the mad scientists got to go in the lab,
I feel you.
look over the footy.
You got the big boy tires on here.
Other than that, the car ran phenomenal. It just gives me an overboost warning in the fucking.
Cuts off or what?
No, it doesn't cut off. It says overboost at high RPM. So when Not the Mama was like, why does it take a car to get built so long? So I don't break it as fast as I took it apart.
Don't you listen to Not the Mama, she's a bitch. I'm happy that I got into the 130s.
Yeah?
I'm still coming doing 130s today.
But hey, your red one got a 130.
Nah, hey, you know what? To be honest with you, I think it was better when it was hot because we had more grip.
Oh yeah.
You know, like right now it's too cold. Like, you know how in the morning they said between 45, 50 degrees, like you kind of lose that grip, and I think that's what we're going through.
Kind of like jumping and skidding. Oh wow, it's scary.
Thank you for coming out again, Mike. Make sure everything's straight. My main concern is no oils coming out of this area.
It's the first shakedown.
Oh yeah, right? The first of many.
What do you think about the first shakedown? How does it feel?
It feels great. It's a lot more cars than I didn't want this much power. I just wanted a little power.
But you got this much power, so now what?
With great power comes great responsibility, Peter Parker.
Well guys, that was my last session. I had to cut it short because my windshield wipers, my switch is broken. So like on the last lap, it just kept on messing up because this little piece now, like it's just dangling. So the whole time when the car was on, the wipers are going for no reason, and like it'll stay up but it falls down. So Gotta get that fixed. But that was the last session. Car's still intact, car's still running good. So all in all, it's a win for me. I mean, seat time, get to drive your car home with no problems. I'll take that any day.
And we're the best, we rock from coast to coast, and we be blowing dope, and baby,